yakni benta jongga kubor la OneRiKhasi daga fatafat online shopping store.
Kejalan Meghalaya mentakasngi kalau kios arngot kibriu kibangat ia kejengpang COVID kat kendai. Kene kalong hadin bagi arngot kisipai Bsf Kiba Ioh ia kene kejengpang hadin bagi test report joki kalang positif. Uba elhek Menteri Kekoi Kekia abekan bagi pasai kubor mentakasngi syetarik undaitung arjar arpau oleh tu bagi kisipai Bsf kidai kibadan hapo kam hapo Umpling. Namar kene kajengat jong kisipai Bsf ia kene kejengpang uba hek oleh tu bagi kate kejaka la permana kum ka containment area. Tadi kejaka kaba umla menrung syakate kejaka. Oleh tu bawa wini kini kisipai Bsf udah badan apa ke kam, bat wipan udah bahasa awal syabar. Bat dini mata kada kesorka ke pemenano ia kate kejaka kum ke containment area.
Two more new cases from the Bsf. One is from the inside the camp of the Bsf camp. One is from outside the camp, staying rented house in Umpling locality. So those are outside the camp already have been declared as the containment area. And those are in the camp, this is already isolated area.
Nakaliang ba person tensong oleh tu baka sarkar kadang ab ya ka report na ke DC lakan pelong ni AM ya ka random test lani ka jeng test si kipat ba kibaya charum sheneng.
See, the government leave no stone unturned. Let us see, once the feedback is submitted to the government, any steps, anything which is required to be done, we are ready to do that. We are ready to do that. But let us also wait, because until unless the input is coming from the district administration or from the DMHU or from the district, we call it the district vigilance unit, as of now we are yet to receive any input for random checking or testing.
Dakan ka jeng yo sa arngot kisipai Bsf hapo ka jalan Meghalaya baro kisipai Bsf kiblangat aga jepang COVID ka kendai kilong baro sangut baka jingdon jogi nongpang ya ka jingpang COVID ka kendai ha Meghalaya kalong khat arngot.